Raw materials used in textiles. A fiber is defined as any product capable of being woven or otherwise made into a fabric. It is the smallest visible unit of textile production, or a fiber can be defined as a pliable hair-like strand that is very small in diameter in relation to its length. Fibers are the fundamental units or the building blocks used in the making of textile yarns and fabrics. It is defined as one of the delicate, hair portions of the tissues of a plant or animal or other substances that are very small in diameter in relation to their length. A fiber is a material which is several hundred times as long as it's thick. Textile fiber can be spun into a yarn or made into a fabric by various methods including weaving, knitting, braiding, felting, and twisting. Fabric or garment is usually identified by the fiber used for its manufacturing. Thus the cotton cloth is the product made out of the cotton fiber, the woolen cloth from the wool fiber, and so on. Staple fiber. Staple is the name given to the fibers of limited length. To make a continuous length of yarn, staple fibers have to be twisted together. Staple fibers can range from about 1 centimeter to many centimetres in length. But in no case they ever become long enough to be classified as filament. The action of twisting forces the fiber surfaces into contact with each other, setting up friction between them which enables them to withstand tension. In this way a continuous length of yarn can be made even from very short fibers. This type of yarn exerts a strong influence on the texture and appearance of the fabric, causing thickness and non-lustrous. Filament fibres. Filament is the name given to a fiber of continuous length, that is to say, it is long enough to be used in a fabric construction without increasing its length by adding other fibers to it. An example of natural filament fiber is silk. The cocoon of a silkworm can contain about 360–1200 m, depending on the quality and type of cocoon, of continuous twin filaments. Man-made filaments produced by spinning machines can be many kilometers long. There may be one or many filaments in the yarn, and accordingly, they are called monofilament or multifilament. The basic difference between a staple fiber and a filament is that of the length. Filament yarns are thin, smooth, and lustrous. Fibers may be classified as either natural or synthetic. What is a natural fiber? The fibers that are obtained from natural sources such as plants, animals, and minerals are called natural fibers. What is man-made fibers? The fibers manufactured from the natural organic raw materials and non-natural synthetic raw materials are called man-made fibers. Characteristics of a good textile fiber. To be designated as a textile fiber, any material should satisfy two important characteristics, namely, the essential or the primary properties and the desirable or the secondary properties. Essential properties include length, strength, flexibility, cohesiveness. Desirable properties include fineness, resiliency, uniformity, porosity, luster, durability, commercial availability. Technologists have defined the term textile fibers as those fibers which can be spun into a yarn or made into a fabric by interlacing or interlooping in a variety of machines including weaving, knitting, braiding, felting, bonding, etc. If you really find this video helpful and informative, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.